Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to change the background for your meeting on Zoom application. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Zoom application, and here is the look whenever you open it, and there will be like 5 sections down part here. So here you just need to visit the more or with the 3 small dots icon, and after that we need to go click or focus on the setting and just visit the meetings part. And in this meetings there will be like 2 options, either you want the audio, video, or even there will be also a general options, but now we will focus for the video because we want to setting related to the video meeting. So just need to go choose the third rows, which is the background and effect. So you just need to go click it, and it will be bring you into the camera sample. You can see here is your real background, and here is your appearance letter. So it will be your face, and yeah, your body will be shown here. So we can change the background into like another picture by go explore here. So there will be like background collections down here, but then if you want to add the new one, go click this plus button, and you just need to pick the picture that you want to use for the background. And after that you just need to go click done, and now you already got new background. So that is the way how to change the background on some application for your online meeting. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.